In this video, we're going to cover the unfair advantage that some developers have that you are missing. Let's get into it. Getting into the tech industry is not as easy as people show you here on social media. The truth is that it's hard. And it's hard because this is a new career for you. You've never done this before. You don't know anything about the industry. Like, what skills do you learn? Where do you start? What type of jobs you should be applying to? What should you have on your portfolio? What should your resume look like? There's a lot of things that you need to get hired. And guess what? There's a lot of resources. There's blogs, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, a whole bunch of different places that you can go in and somehow try to piece all of these things together. But initially what you're doing is a bunch of mistakes and wasting time. Now, the unfair advantage that some developers have that you probably missing right now is mentorship, coaching, someone holding your hand through this process, someone who has done this before themselves and understand your situation. And I get it. A lot of people just want to do it by themselves. They want to be that quote unquote self-taught developer that somehow got into the industry and did this with basically just a laptop. But there's some guys that they're not here to play no games. They're here to get results. They're here to make sure that they're learning what they need to learn, building what they need to build, and be able to get their first job and get into the industry. Now, where do you find a coach? Where do you find a mentor? Where do you find a friend? Someone to guide you through this whole process? Well, you have LinkedIn. You also have social media websites like Twitter, right? You also have places like Quora where you can find individuals that can really help you out in this whole process. And, by reaching out to them, they might give you some time. Another great place is meetups. Join your local meetup group. Talk to other developers. Tell them, hey, I'm learning how to code. Hey, I'm starting to get into this industry. Would you mind helping me out or giving me some tips? Just start with a conversation. It don't cost you nothing to start with that, at least. Now, of course, you have platforms like mine's, CodingPhase.com, where this is what we do. This is the service we provide. We help you with the whole process of teaching you the skills, helping you with building your portfolio, reviewing your projects, and holding your hand through the whole process. I mean, even searching for jobs for you. There's nothing wrong with getting help. Yes, ask for help. Don't be scared. Put yourself out there. Like I said, we can do that for you, or you could reach out to other people. Try to get yourself a mentor or a coach or someone to help you out. But definitely don't try to do this on your own because it's just a longer journey. And I give you guys this great example. I mean, shout out to Henry Garrido, right, who came through CodingPhase. But again, one of the things that motivated him to go and get this done and say, hey, I'm going to go to this platform. It was for that guidance, right? This guy was already learning how to code. He already did a couple of platforms. But guess what? He still was missing that guidance, that one-on-one, that coaching, that help, that you send me an email, I'll answer it. Hey, I got a question about this. What do you think about that? Hey, should we fix this on my portfolio? Should I fix that? Hey, what's going on with my projects? You get what I'm saying? Like, you need that feedback. That is what really goes in and helps you out in the long run. That's the unfair advantage that some of these guys have that you don't have. So you have to put yourself out there. You either come to a platform like mine's, CodingPhase.com, so we could actually help you through this whole process and guide you, or put yourself out there. Go to meetups, go to Discord groups, go join a group inside of Twitter or Facebook groups. Like, literally put yourself out there. The best way for you to actually go and get a job and get into this industry is by someone holding your hand and showing you the way. You going out here and just looking through social media and just watching videos and doing this and that, like, that's not really helping you. You actually need to put in the work and have someone go in and double check your work. That's just how life is, right? So again, guys, if you found this video useful, I hope you guys subscribe to the channel, give me a like. And again, I'm going to put some links in the description of resources where you can actually go in, get yourself some mentors, right? And of course, we're going to give you a 30% off on CodingPhase.com when you use the link below. Let me help you out. If you want me to help you out the same way I help Henry, definitely sign up to CodingPhase. Now, again, like I said, I'm also going to put some other free resources in there so you could find your mentor and somebody to help you out in the long run. All right. It's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. Take care. Peace.